The wokeness in Kelowna is out of control. Woke politics hurt business. Woke policies enforce bad decisions. Woke ideology ignores real problems. And Kelowna is suffering because of it. I'm JC Rathwell, a 30-year resident of Kelowna, and I'm stepping into the 2026 municipal election to fix the top issues with common sense, not wokeness. My solution is simple. Replace woke with common sense. Stop enforcing political correctness. Start fixing real problems. Put business owners in charge who understand consequences. Go to voteformeordon't.com. Every issue is labeled. Every solution is there. My full plan to stop the wokeness is on the website. If you're running for mayor or city council too, steal my ideas. I don't care if you vote for me. I care if you get someone in there who's awake, not woke. Voteformeordon't.com. Go there now.